a little word, decent, to describe people who are respectable and socially acceptable. Two values which are absolutely crucial to survive and prosper in the UK. A decent person could be your next door neighbour, for example, who takes out the rubbish every Thursday, as you should. Or some sort of local hero who gives up his own life for the well-being and prosperity of other people. Both decent people. Next door neighbour and local hero, decent. The house was burning down, it was in flames, and this complete stranger runs into the house, no protection or anything, takes the kids and the dog, runs out and saves their life. What a decent guy. But decent can also be used to talk about things and experiences. It's when British people want to express their emotions like joy, happiness, excitement, love even. All these things that we try so very hard to keep down and bottle up. It's not really socially acceptable to do so. So here we have decent. And just like many American speakers like to use and abuse the word awesome, I'm half Italian. Awesome. I'm 31. Awesome. I live in London. Awesome. I'm self-employed. Awesome. Oh, I can't take this anymore. Awesome. A British person would do very much the same thing with the word decent, just turning down the excitement volume to about 10%. I heard you got married last week. Congratulations, man. How was it? Oh, cheers. Yeah. It was decent. As I was editing this video, I was reminded by someone of the abbreviation Dece, as in, how was your weekend? Dece. Now, I'm not sure that I am young enough or even urban enough to use Dece, but in any case, if you found this video decent or even just Dece, then why not subscribe to the channel? Right, till next time.